Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And so for today's vlog, for today's video, so medyo natagalan tayo bago nagkaroon ulit ng bagong video. And as you can see, I just upload na mga reels or short video dito sa YouTube kasi sobrang busy nga sa work and I don't have time to create content like what the shit kung anong content ko, diba? Kasi basically natutulog lang talaga ako all day and work tulog, ganun lang yung routine ko almost every day. So now I have an opportunity for you to for me as well to create this kind of vlog, or somehow should I say a review as well. So yeah, for today's vlog guys, have you ever heard or see about a CBank? So basically it's a bank, right? So CBank, ito siya. I have my this is actually an ATM card, yes. And just last month, which is July of bago ata mag-August, nag-apply ako ng CBank app sa Shopee and I definitely love the features. It's easier to navigate the app. Also, napaka-smooth ng transaction guys. So, if you are really familiar with this one or not, you might like, or you might love, or you might watch this video. So, last August 18, before August pala, nag-apply nga ako, diba, ng basically not the ATM pa. Nag-apply ako through app, so sa Shopee, kasi ino-offer ng Shopee to open a CBank account or a CBank CBank account nga. Then when I routed to the app, it says that i-download ko daw yung talagang app na yun. So I will just show you up later on in the middle of this video. And yeah, so sabi ni Shopee, if you are mag-deposit daw ako ng kahit anong amount, and then I will receive 300% or basta 300 off na voucher. So I nag-deposit ako ng, basta I don't dispose an amount, basta nag-deposit ako guys. And then for 7 days, then nag-order ako sa Shopee. So ayun guys, no bayad at all. Nag-order ako ng alcohol for nasa 298 something, and then I used the voucher for 300. So definitely wala akong binabayaran. Dumating sa akin yung alcohol na yun without payments. So now nag-offer naman si app or si CBank app dun sa mismong talagang application niya to open or have an ATM card. So I had apply, so nag-apply ako, which is ito na nga nung August 18. So which is today, ano ba ngayon? So today is August 29. So 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So 11 days sabi noon sa deliver it talks 10 days daw bago ma-deliver. So almost iwan ko kung kasama ba yung Saturday and Sunday, basta parang business days lang siya. So I am from Laguna, so definitely this is part of the Calabarzon or NCR. So yeah, it depends ata sa area. So yeah, right now, so today is August 29 and I got my ATM card delivered today. So let's open it and have it activated right in front of you. So okay, so let's open again. By the way guys, while opening it, I will just telling you the some features of this ATM bank kasi few days ago, di ba, ginagamit ko na siya and I really find it very useful kasi may may cashback siya guys sa mga groceries. Although I didn't use sa groceries, pero I use it for my online purchases, pero may mga cashbacks din talaga siya, guys. And then much better din, guys, na if you are nag-order kayo sa mga like basta grocery stores, meron siyang talagang cashbacks na pwede nyong ma-earn while using it. Also, ako kasi minsan ginagamit ko lang siya, iniiba ko siya, pero may interest siya, guys, ha. Although malaking interest nito compared sa ibang banks, pero I don't know kung ganun din sa inyo. So ito na nga, guys. So I have my credentials. So this is the envelope, which is orange siya, guys, ha. Pero alam nyo, guys, unang impressions ko lang, akala ko talaga is Union Bank. So the rider says it's for from a C-Bank pala. So, although may din ako expectations na ma-deliver sa akin yung from Union Bank as well. So, ito yung instructions how to activate the card. By the way, guys, this ATM card has a fee. So, this is a 99. Nabayaran ko is 99, pero I don't know kasi sabi dito is mababalik daw after few days. So, definitely, wala siyang bayad. Parang nagbayad ka lang ng processing fee or somehow, ganon. Or I don't know. Basta, sabi dito is, get your card fee back. Use a 5 times within 30 days from card activation. So, after pa siguro ng 30 days, bago ko siya ma-receive, yung 99 pesos. Kagandahan lang kasi dito sa C-Bank na to is, meron siyang 15 na fee, transfer fee. I mean 15 na transactions na without transfer fee. Unlike sa ibang mga banks, or let's say a digital banks like GCash or a PayMaya or even a GoTime, meron siyang mga charges like 15 pesos charge every time you transact or every time you transfer. Diba so ito na, guys, diba pak. So, sorry, pero I need to just, for my security, kailangan ko munang hindi ko muna i-disclose yung mga additional information here. But, yeah. This is the actual card. And, meron siyang, hindi siya naka-engrave, pero may pangalan siya dito at the back, not at the front. At the back of the card, the ATM card itself, meron siyang pangalan nyo. O nakapangalan sa akin, syempre. So, meron siyang chip and also ito. So, this is how the card looks like. And we have to activate it right in front of you. And this is the instructions how you want or how you activate it. So, guys, let's activate the card. I have seen the exact details, the delivery address, exact date of delivered, and also the time. Then yung nasa baba is activate card. You have to click the activate card. And then meron ditong activate physical cards. Once you receive your physical card, follow the steps on the mirror to activate. It's by scanning the QR code. So we have to scan the QR. Where are the QR code? Ito, diba? Wow, let's get this started. Okay. Alright, so there he goes. So we have to scan, just para mas madali ang buhay natin, we have to scan it. Scan QR. So okay. Alright, so it's already scanned. Oh, it routed me to get my what is my password? Actually, nakalimutan ko. One moment, guys. Ano bang password nito? Okay, so card activation successful. Buti naman at naalala ko yung kahit paano yung aking password kasi medyo talaga. Ayan siya. May nag-text sa akin, you've successfully activated your physical card. Wherein, meron din naman akong ayan, so oh my gosh, hindi pala na-record yung ano ko, guys. Shoot. Hindi na-record yung ano ko. So, ayan na. dito pala. Oh my god. So okay, so card activation successful. Congratulations, your physical card is now ready to use. You have to click the done. And then again, so here's the thing. Okay. Alright, so by the way guys, so I will be just here. So andito tayo ngayon sa sa physical, I mean sa aking virtual account. So kasi kanina akala ko naka-record pala, pero hindi pala naka-record. So ulitin natin, pero this time alam niyo na naka-activated na yung card mismo. So dito nakalagay is your physical card has arrived. So click mo lang yung view order summary, and then here's the thing, you will see the CBank itself delivered and the date for delivery, also the exact time of delivered and the delivery address. And then you have just to create dito sa ilalim meron dito nakalagay activate card, pero na-activate ko na talaga kanina pa lang, kasi all I know is naka-record yung screen recording pero wala pala here. And yeah, you have just to click dito yung don't activate card. Ay, na-activate ko na siya. So let's assume it was already activated. Well, it was really activated naman talaga. Then so physical card has been activated. So we have to click the view card details, and then here you have to create, or you have to secure the PIN is your digit default card PIN. So here I was deducted for the physical card itself, which is 99 pesos. Yan. So ganyan na siya guys, ganyan lang kadali mag-activate ng card. While using it, you have to earn a lot of cashbacks, and also you have to earn a 3.50 per annum, or 3.5% per annum. So I have the interest already, but hindi naman kalaki yung ko. Diyos ko. So ganyan, yan lang guys. So I hope na nasundan nyo, kasi all I know is naka-record yung screen recording ko pero wala pala. Kasi first time ko mag-use ng screen recording dito sa isa kong phone. Hindi ko pala alam na ganyan ipipindot ko pala, hindi naka-run yung time. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope na you will definitely purchase as well. Also, if you want to, meron dyan sa description box guys, ilalagay ko yung link how you can or paano kayo kumuha ng itong card na to. I will just insert the link sa description box. Just click it, and then you will be directly routed to the application where you can get this CBank app or a CBank account. So madali lang siya guys, unlike other digital bank or digital wallet na ang daming cheche boreche. Well, ganun naman talaga. So you have to secure the PIN as well, and the password, and just don't forget to create your password guys. And yeah, I hope and I think that's it for now, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope na may natutunan kayo, although minsan-minsan lang para akong kabuti na sumusulpot lang dito sa YouTube. So thank you guys for watching, and see ya.